Welcome back to Joda Decor, where we share timeless decorating inspiration to make every corner of your home more beautiful and functional. If you enjoy vintage-inspired interiors and practical design ideas, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment telling us your favorite laundry room style. Today, we'll explore creative laundry room decorating ideas that can transform everyday chores into a more pleasant and enjoyable experience. One of the easiest ways to create a welcoming laundry room is by using soft vintage-inspired colors such as sage green, dusty blue, cream, or warm beige. These gentle tones create a calming atmosphere that makes folding clothes and organizing supplies feel less like work and more like a relaxing routine. Open shelving can turn ordinary storage into an attractive display. Wooden shelves with a distressed finish provide the perfect place for woven baskets, glass jars, and neatly folded linens, adding both practicality and vintage charm to the room. Replace plain plastic containers with decorative baskets, metal bins, or vintage-style glass canisters. Organizing detergents, clothespins, and cleaning products in beautiful containers helps maintain order while enhancing the overall design aesthetic. Good lighting can dramatically improve the appearance of a laundry room. Consider a vintage-inspired pendant light, farmhouse lantern, or elegant wall sconces that provide both functionality and decorative appeal while creating a warm and inviting ambience. Wallpaper is an excellent way to bring personality into a laundry space. Floral patterns, subtle stripes, or classic vintage motifs can add visual interest and transform an otherwise simple utility room into a stylish extension of the home. A dedicated folding area helps make laundry tasks more efficient. A wooden countertop above front-loading machines or a vintage-style work table provides valuable workspace while contributing to the room's decorative character. Framed botanical prints, vintage advertisements, or charming typography signs can make the room feel more personalized. Thoughtfully selected artwork brings warmth and visual appeal to a space that is often overlooked in home design. Adding natural textures such as wicker baskets, wooden accents, and small potted plants creates a fresh and inviting environment. These elements soften the utility-focused nature of the room and make it feel more connected to the rest of the home. Replacing basic cabinet handles with antique brass knobs, ceramic pulls, or vintage-inspired hardware is a simple update that can significantly enhance the room's appearance. Small decorative details often have a surprisingly large visual impact. A decorative rug can instantly make a laundry room feel warmer and more welcoming. Vintage patterned runners or washable area rugs introduce color, texture, and comfort while helping define the space aesthetically. Beautiful wall hooks, drying racks, or decorative peg rails provide practical storage while contributing to the overall design. These features help keep garments organized and make daily laundry tasks more convenient. Elegant labels on baskets, jars, and storage bins create a cohesive and organized look. Vintage-inspired typography or handwritten style labels add character while making it easier to locate everyday laundry essentials. If space allows, consider adding a small bench or vintage chair. A comfortable seating area can make sorting clothes easier and creates a welcoming atmosphere that encourages you to spend time keeping the room organized. A thoughtfully decorated laundry room can transform a routine household task into a more enjoyable daily experience. By combining vintage charm, practical organization, and inviting decorative details, you can create a space that feels both beautiful and functional. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Joda Decor, like this video, and leave a comment sharing which laundry room decorating tip inspired you the most.